Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm playing mobile, I have to be really quiet because it's midnight. There's only 3 people besides me in this server. So, oh my god, it's the other bacon. No, it's that girl. I can't record on my PC because if y'all didn't see the video, my PC broke, and I took it to get fixed this morning. So I probably won't be able to pick it back up until about 13 days. Oh yeah, I make content on my computer now. I don't have to do mobile anymore. I learned how to record. Don't judge me because I didn't know how to record. It's not my fault that I played mobile my whole life. Oh my god, it's them against each other. I'm gonna get that gun, hopefully. Nor that could be the much rarer. Pull out the gun. Give me a good reason you're not the murderer. Nor, he probably mad. Or Nor, he's not. Hornor. We got turned. Oh, there's people. This straight up makes me disappointed. But there's people. If y'all don't know, I'm sort of broke. The only godly I have is pumpkining. Be quiet. Can I mute chat or something? I'm good at murder mysteries. Just I've been playing MM2 Aim Trainer ever since I found it. It actually really does help me with my aim. Come here. I'm not a murderer. You are probably. Shit. I watched the whole thing. The whole thing. She's gonna camp probably. Well, even if she did. Or short. Mia Khalifa. Go. My gun did not shoot. I didn't shoot her because every time I tapped on her, for some reason I wanted to go where my thumb was. That's why I don't like playing on mobile. Oop. Umbrella. Be quiet. Are they meant to be sassy blue mixed with pink mink? Or something? That's what it looks like. Okay. Buckle up. It didn't shoot! Bro, I hate when it does that. If you don't know, if you play mobile or if anything, sometimes when you shoot the gun, it just will not shoot. It's like you've reached your shooting limit. You cannot shoot anymore. And it causes you to freaking die. And it's not fair. Girl, same. And I got murderer. Well, I'm targeting bacon because it's so laggy. me camper. I don't camp. I will camped. I mean, oops, but like I wall camped. I mean, but like, no. I do admit you don't know how bad I wanted to get away from that gun and go chase them. Because, like I said, I don't camp. I don't like camping. Camping's annoying. But, like, I had to. Because I knew that bacon guy would, like, come in there. So I could snatchy. Oh, eebie. There's not many people in the server. Go. Here's the murderer. You idiot. Move. What the hell? You can. No. That's what I don't like about it. I actually cook people in in like MM2 aim trainer, but when I join actual MM2, it like that's what I don't like is the other people. The other people. I don't like them other people in the game because they'll like jump in your way and be like, yeah, it looks like you're trying to shoot the murder. Let me just hop right in front of you. Yeah. Now you gotta shoot me. in the video soon because I'm getting really tired. I know that I like when I get mad and rage quit and stuff. I can be pretty mean about that. It's just I rage quit too hard. I'm sorry. I can't help my rage quitting. Like, so if any of you guys ever like join me, just know if I get mad at you for shooting me, it's not my fault. I'm sorry. I just get mad. Honestly, same girl. What the heck? I'm about to rage quit, so before I rage quit so hard and end up making a huge scene, I'm gonna get off. Because trust me, if I stay on any longer, everyone in the server will be gone from me. I'll do everything I possibly can to annoy these people. So, might as well just leave now. Bye, y'all.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.